With space at a premium in most data centers, configuration of your containment systems is a vital component of your facility's design. Legrand's new Professional Series containment doors are designed for both hot and cold aisle containment and work to optimize performance and energy efficiency in your data center. The Professional Series dual sliding doors feature a 48-inch wide opening and an ultra-slim profile, less than 3 inches, to save as much space as possible. Single sliding doors are also available with a 36-inch wide opening. With less of your center's valuable real estate taken up by the doors, you have more room available for storing additional equipment and running your data center at maximum efficiency. The wide door opening is specifically designed to allow for faster access and deployment, permitting full access to the aisle space. When in maintenance mode, the dual sliding doors open to 60 inches, and the single sliding doors open up to 39 inches, allowing you to bring larger equipment into the space. The doors also feature a soft close mechanism to ensure that they don't slam shut when in use, and have a mechanical hold open for when you need to keep them open during maintenance or for installing new equipment. The doors themselves use 6mm twin-wall polycarbonate or solid polycarbonate, providing thermal efficiency in a lightweight, durable solution. Due to its user-friendly design and being mostly pre-assembled on delivery, your Professional Series sliding doors are quick and easy to install, ensuring that your containment project runs on time. Contact us today for more information or to discuss a custom solution for your containment needs.